The bottom dwellers. The bottom dwellers become ventrally flattened like a fan, e.g., skate, fish, stingray, and so on. Now, let's go over what we are saying so far. That all the fish in the water, they possess gills for respiration. The flesh eaters, that is carnivorous fish, like shark, has sharp homodont teeth for killing and cutting its prey into pieces. Now, homodont teeth simply means having the same set of teeth. And you see that fish have the same set of teeth. There is nothing like a kind of incisor, canine, and premolar molars. The bottom dwellers, they become flattened. From the top is flat, the bottom is flat. That is what is meant by dorsal-ventral flattening. Now, this type of fish, they have their mouth at the ventral position, with which they feed on debris, detritus, that is dead particles falling from top of the ocean. So these cells produce light. So when these fish open their mouth, light is inside. Other fish around will swim into the mouth without knowing they are entering a trap and become food for the such fish.